Okay, next up, we're going to be showing some commands. So what I want to show you is how to draw some lines and how to access that. And that principle is going to be the same for all of, or pretty much all of the commands. So to draw a line, here's the line command. You see there's a little triangular tab at the bottom. If I click that, I get a pull out of all different types of or ways of lines that you can draw. So there's a single line, polyline, a line from midpoint, etc. I very much encourage you to go through these and explore with them. But for now, I'm going to just take a simple line, and you'll see my cursor will change, and in the command line, a command will start to show up. It says start of line and a whole bunch of options. These options sort of reflect the different options that we were able to select. So if we don't select anything out of the ordinary, we're going to be drawing a line from point A to point B. If I want to repeat that command straight away, I can use the spacebar. So spacebar is one way to repeat the previous command, and it'll go straight to start of line, and now I can draw another line. So another way to get to the line command is to go through curve, line, and single line, and that'll get you the same command. Now the advantage of that is that you can sort of, if you need a command, you can use the menu to browse through all of these and see if there's anything that looks like what you need. If you want to use the icons, you sort of need to know what the icon looks like or what you think it might look like. So there's two different ways to access that. Let me finish drawing this line. If at any point you've started the command, so let me press spacebar to restart drawing a line, you want to escape out of that command, you just press escape and it'll cancel the command. So now let me select all of these, and I'm going to delete these. One final way, and this is arguably one of the most time efficient ways of doing it, is by typing in the command. So if I type in line, you'll see at the top left there's a drop down of all different commands that have the word line in them. I press enter. My commands line confirms that I've started drawing a line, and now I can draw my line. So this, for beginner users, this may sound like it's a little bit more complex than it needs to be by having to type in and remember all of these commands. But if you remember and keep remembering all the consecutive commands that we're going to be learning, it's a really good way to get very efficient without having to browse through different different menus or try to remember what icons look like. But I understand people have different preferences, so I'll be showing at least all the commands that we're going to be typing in, and if I know where the icon is or where it is in the menu, I'll show you guys as well.